infinity is well, say it's equal to itself, and it's equal to more than self, hence is greater than itself, and is less than itself also in a fundamental way. So, as a relative value is based in the first logically constructorial way upon difference rather than higher notations in the first place, conceptually, then if infinity plus 1 is infinity is the same, and infinity minus 1 is itself, then in objective terms it's correct to say that infinity is greater than itself and less than itself. This does not mean that infinity stops being equal to itself also. In the first instance, as by implicit definition, everything is equal to itself. So all that's saying infinity is so infinity being greater than itself. All that's saying is that it's greater to itself as well as being equal to itself. The direct logical contradiction or quantitative paradox is implicit in that way, is innate, of something being other than itself. Everything is by definition equal to itself just by being it, as it were. So it's part and parcel. It's the same sort of thing. It's the innate logical contradiction in saying something is, for example, greater than itself in general terms, other than itself philosophically. But in a true logical style, quantitatively speaking, that can be said of infinity, because, for example, you might say of any normal finite number that you multiply it by 1, it remains the same. So you could say it's 1 times greater than itself. But you wouldn't say that means, objectively, in general, that it's greater than its own value, it's greater than itself. This is correct, though, because you see, the use of the word 1 in that statement is the logical corrector in its own right. In other words, if something is 1 times bigger than itself, that is to say that it's